हेलो एवरीवन। हमने लास्ट क्लास में राजस्थान टूरिज़्म के सब्जेक्ट में हमने फेमस हिस्टोरिकल प्लेसेस पढ़े थे और टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शंस पढ़े थे। आज हम पढ़ेंगे द लिस्ट ऑफ माउंटेन्स पीक्स इन राजस्थान। So Rajasthan is basically the most prominent feature of Rajasthan is the Aravalli Hills. Aravalli Hills, it runs across the state, dividing the state into two distinct entities. First the Thar Desert and the second is Eastern Plains. One is Thar Desert and second one is Eastern Plains. The Aravalli Range is an eroded stub of an ancient mountain range. It is also oldest fold mountain range in India. The Aravalli Hills is also known as the oldest fold of mountain range in India. There are top 10 mountain peaks in Rajasthan, which is Guru Shikhar, Sirohi, that is 1722 meter wide, Ser, Sirohi, Dilwara, Jarga, Achalgarh, Kumbhalgarh, Dhunia, Ranghunathgarh, Harikesh, Rishikesh, and Kamalnath. Kamalnath is in Udaipur. These are the highest mountain peaks of Aravalli Hills in Rajasthan. The Aravalli range in Rajasthan is divided in three major subgroups. First is northeastern Aravalli, and second one is central Aravalli, and third one is southern Aravalli. The northern eastern Aravalli region, also known as the Alwar Hills, it stretches from Delhi to Alwar. Alwar and Jaipur. The average elevation of this region is 300 to 600 meter. Then we have central Aravalli region. It includes the region of Ajmer, Tonk, and Jaipur. It is surrounded by Alwar range from north, Karuli tail land from east, Banas Banganga plains from south, and Sambar basin from west. Then we have southern Aravalli regions. It includes district of Sirohi, Udaipur, and portions of Pali and Dungarpur. The region has a larger peak than rest of the Aravalli Hills. These are some of the regions where the peaks are larger than the other regions. Then we have flora and fauna in Rajasthan. Rajasthan is rich in varied flora and fauna. The natural vegetation is classed as northern desert thorn forest. These occurs in small clumps scattered in more or less open form. The density and size of patches increase from west to east from the size in rainfall. The Desert National Park is in Jaisalmer, is spread over an area of 3,162 square kilometers, which is an huge area. Is an excellent example of ecosystem of the Thar Desert and its diverse fauna. Seashells and massive fossilized tree trunks in park record the geographical history of desert. The region is heaven from migratory and resident birds of the desert. One can see many eagles, hares, and falcons, buzzards, kestrels, and vultures, short-toed eagles. These are the animals which we find in Thar deserts. Then we have wildlife and ecosystem in Rajasthan. Wildlife and ecosystem involves the personal growth and learning, new ways to live on planet and enjoying company of nature without harming it. The conceptual experience of ecosystem is for the travelers for research. Rajasthan is proud to being a responsible eco-tourism place, and it includes programs to minimize the negative aspects of traditional tourism on the environment and gives immense possibilities to relate with the local people. The clean ambience, biodegradable utensils like leaf plates, glass bottles are some of the characteristics of Rajasthan eco tours. The numbers of eco parks are here for attractions of tourists, and they are preserve and restore an endangered wildlife. The wildlife and parks provide a natural habitat to the plentiful species of wild animals, bird, reptiles, and floral kingdom. So this is how the wildlife and ecotourism in Rajasthan is very popular because of their zoos and wildlife sanctuaries here. And in very next class we will discuss about the famous religious places in Rajasthan.